Are you looking for the best budget audio interfaces? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best budget audio interfaces on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Focusrite Scarlett Solo, Editor's Choice. Focusrite Scarlett Solo, 3rd Gen, is the best budget USB audio interface for recording a single instrument or the human voice. It's easy to use, boasts excellent build quality, and lets you get quality audio from different microphones into your computer. You'll need a preamp with dynamic mics though, due to their low output. Its suitable air mode gives your recordings a more open sound while the 2 hum-free outputs yield clean audio playback. The audio quality is further enhanced by its high-performance converters that let you mix and record at up to 24-bit and 192 kHz. What's more, the Solo 3rd Gen is a fantastic upgrade. Compared to the previous versions, this model has better microphone inputs, variable line inputs, fixed line inputs, instrument inputs, and line and monitor outputs. To paint a picture, the 3rd Gen has a dynamic range of 111 dB and a gain range of 56 dB, mic input, compared to 106 dB and 50 dB in the 2nd Gen bus-powered counterpart. When it comes to line and monitor, the 3rd Gen has a dynamic range of 108 dB and a maximum output level of 15.5 dB compared to 106 dB and 10 dB in the 2nd Gen bus-powered counterpart. That explains the high-quality audio. The quality sound coupled with the included Pro Tools and Quick Start tool makes the Solo 3rd Gen a force to reckon with. We like the Solo 3rd Gen's compact design, which makes it portable and easy to store. Its sleek look boosts your studio's aesthetics while the Quick Start tool gets you up and learning, with ease. We particularly love the series of tutorials Focusrite has created to guide new buyers. The tutorials take you through the logistics of recording your music, getting set with your DAW, and more, without any confusion or intimidation. As a result, you get set up, plugged in, and jamming to your tune in no time. Number 2. M-Audio Air 192, 4, Best Software Bundle. With M-Audio Air 192, 4, you get to create flawless 24-bit/192 kHz high-quality masterpieces with an easy-to-use and intuitive audio interface. The interface has an all-new 1/4-inch instrument input and XLR plus 1/4 balanced combo input, allowing you to create 2 channels simultaneously. The 1/4-inch instrument input has a well-designed impedance and gain stage to provide accurate bass or guitar representation. Better still, the interface comes equipped with a software package that contains everything required to get you started. Think of Pro Tools, 1st Edition, Ableton Live Lite, the Avid Effect Collection, 11 Lite, and more. M-Audio Air 192/4 is by all standards one of the best budget audio interface USB 3.0. The device best resonates with people who love alternative pop or rock or classic rock. It's also for you if you love Iron Maiden, Foo Fighters, and The Who. If you want to use the interface on AMD, power it on a power brick and use the 1/4-inch output to input into your motherboard sound card. We like that M-Audio Air 24 has an excellent build quality, it's easy to set up and produces clear sounds. Our guitar sounded better with distortion effects, without any unwanted noise. Also, our recordings, on the laptop, sounded extraordinarily clear, all thanks to a 24-bit/192 kHz at a budget price. We also appreciated its lightweight and compact design that made it easy to fit into a laptop bag and carry to a location of choice. While the device works great with high-speed USB, there are noticeable audio crackles and pops when using USB Type-C. To make it worse, the troubleshooting available barely corrects the crackles. The directions include setting the main volume to 80% in Windows, and adjusting the direct/USB knob, all of which barely help. M-Audio Air 24 also has compatibility issues with AMD processors, which results in buffer underruns, audio issues, loss of audio, and occasional blue screen. Number 3. Native Instruments Komplete Audio 2, Best USB 2.0. Native Instruments Komplete Audio boasts two 2x Combi XLR/jack, inputs with phantom power for flexible recording. Its 1/4 foot stereo outputs are ideal for use on stage, at home, or in the studio. The host/input mix provides the option of hearing playback as you record. Moreover, the interface record in 24-bit resolution at up to 192 kHz, which is impressive for its price and compact design. It also features direct monitoring with simple LED level readouts. Added to that are a VU meter for adjusting levels accurately and a big volume knob for adjusting output levels easily. The Komplete Audio 2 is a great upgrade. Unlike Audio 1, Audio 2 can work in stereo. It also features 2 combo jacks for more flexibility and 2 jack outputs suited to studio connections. That's a far cry from the consumer-oriented RCAs of Komplete Audio. Better still, the Audio 2 has line/mic switches for both inputs, making it suitable for connecting instruments. Overall, Komplete Audio 2 is made for easy stereo recording. As such, it's ideal for performers, beatmakers, and musicians who want to play out, produce or capture ideas with high-quality audio. We like the ultra-lightweight and compact design of this unit. Its build quality is commendable, especially because it's made from plastics and not expensive metals, like in older models. We also love the solid preamps with a commendable gain range. We recorded without prominent latency, and the recordings were extraordinarily clear and clean. Its 5-segment LED signal indicators are excellent for direct monitoring while the main output knob is fun to turn. But while we were impressed by what Komplete Audio 2 has to offer, it cannot switch between monitoring outputs, 1/2, 3/4, as in the original version. Also, only the 1/2 is recognized by FooBar or Windows 10. At the same time, the software bundle is somewhat hard to locate and download. You must use Native Instruments license app or standalone installer. Unfortunately, there are no clear instructions about it on their software. The customer support could also use some improvement. Number 4. Steinberg UR12, Best Mic Preamps. The Steinberg UR12 is a 2-input and 2-output USB interface, boasting a single DPRE Class A mic preamps, from Yamaha, with plus 48V phantom power. The DPRE is specially designed to capture all the expressiveness and subtleties of any audio source. As such, the mic preamps sound stunning, which is to be expected as DPRE is a culmination of years of development by skilled engineers at Yamaha Corporation. The interface is housed in a rugged yet compact chassis to boost its durability. And its 24-bit/192 kHz converters provide commendable dynamics and details. Its ultra-stable drivers for Windows and Mac OS X make it compatible with the major audio recording software applications. Being crafted and engineered to meet the most exacting needs, the UR12 is ideal for any home recording enthusiast. Just be sure to get the drivers first, before plugging it in. If you hear screeching noises during setup, it means your OS is installing older drivers. As such, don't use a CD to install the drivers. Instead, get up-to-date drivers from Steinberg or Yamaha website. Once you have installed the drivers, you can turn on the interface and plug it in. We like that the DPRE mic preamp has a wide frequency range, enough to handle any music source without overly amplifying any components of the signal. The mic is tuned to capture the true essence and expression of an audio source or a given performance, all while leaving room for later editing. We also appreciated the interface's cross-platform compatibility with iPad, OS X, and Windows. On the flip side, the UR12 lacks a MIDI input or output, which means you cannot connect it directly to your favorite synth, MIDI controller. It's also relatively heavier than other audio interfaces on our list. And while that does not affect its mobility, it sure can affect the number of things you can carry at a go. Number 5. Audient EVO4, Best Innovative. EVO4 amplifies and converts an analog signal to digital. It boasts a JFET instrument input, 2 XLR input channels, and both stereo and mono loopback channels for recording your audio output. Note, the unit creates an input selection, which mixes the 2 channels into one if that's your preference. You can also mute either channel by long pressing the numbered buttons. The JFET input only T channel 1. It takes priority over XLR input, and as such, it automatically mutes the XLR signal when in use. Its Smart Gain feature gets your sound levels set up fast during sound monitoring, while eliminating the possibility of clippings. The unit is suitable for anyone who needs to record instruments or vocals for their cover song or original music. Think of songwriters or producers. It's also great for recording a couple of mics for podcasts. We like that Audient EVO4 provides access to the Cubasys, iOS, LE2, the compact DAWs Cubase, and some VST synthesizers when you register your unit on their site. The bundled software is an impressive set of freebies for aspiring producers and songwriters. We were also impressed by the Smart Gain feature that gets your sound levels set up fast during sound checking. The feature helps reduce clippings that can occur when you set the gain too high. In our opinion, however, it'd be better if you can turn the LED indicators off when you connect EVO4 to a PC. There should also be dB labels next to the LED indicators. Currently, you must look down on the interface to see all the LED lights, which is inconvenient. Also, the unit should be upgraded to allow the use of headphones and speakers for monitoring simultaneously. Currently, plugging in the speakers will automatically mute the headphones output channels.